Hello YouTube. Here's a quick setup for a forge burner. Pretty well just copied someone else's plans. Wish I knew who he was, but he's on YouTube as well. So just a quick run through. We've got a 9-inch piece of 3/4 inch pipe drilled through whack of holes, 4 per row, 3 rows. We have a bell 1.25 to a 1 inch. And a reducing coupling, again 1 inch threading, 3/4 inch. Run through the other parts lists. We start out with this brass fitting. It's a 3/8 one side and it's got the hose fitting on the other. It's a left-hand thread. We've already taped them all up to make this process a little quicker. So here we have a 3/8 to a 1/4 inch coupler. It's a banded one. From there we're going to go to a 1/4 inch street with a 1 inch nipple already attached. Could have gone either direction on this, but went that way. From there we're going to go to a banded 1/4 inch coupler. I've put it through on the grinder on one side just to kind of taper it. You're going to want to hook her up on this side. Here we have a brass plug. I've drilled it and tapped it. And here we have a MIG welding tip. This isn't the exact size that I want, but it's going to work for the time being till I can get the size. It's a 1.0, where everyone else is telling me I should be using a 0.35. So again, I just tapped this out so it fits. So propane feed hose hooks onto this side. Your MIG tip slide. Just pressure fit. And then it's just going to be centered. So we can hook it up to the gas line, turn on the propane, and we'll give a bit of a demo. You want to try and make sure that your MIG tip is actually straight in there. Right now it is on an angle. So we'll try and just line it up. So another thing that can be done is you can drill out and tap and put in a couple bolts just to kind of allow you to center this. But for a quick hardware parts forge burner, does quite well. So here we have the brick forge I made, built. Again, it's just bricks and some angle iron, some all thread. Coming around, we have 3 bricks on the bottom. Put a brick in the long ways, double walls, single top, and use a drill with a masonry bit just to kind of make a hole. It's kind of crude, but it works. And then again, bolt it all together. So there's also brick at the back. So just need to hook up our hose and make it fire. Firing will be in a second video just to make it a little easier for hooking up this hose. See you in a bit.